Thiamine documentary. I hope you enjoy. What's up, guys? Max. My name is Max. Scientist Max. And I am here to talk to you about thiamine. What is thiamine, first of all? Thiamine is also known as vitamin B1. And vitamin B1 it's called that because it's the first ever vitamin to be around. Alright, guys, we're in a science lab. Don't mind the glitching right here. It's just background noise on my MacBook. So yeah, continuing on about vitamin B1, aka thiamine. So, let's get started now. Hey guys, so continuing on, here's what's inside thiamine that makes it thiamine, or vitamin B1. So, O right here is, here let me see, O is hydroxide. There should be an H right there, sorry, there's just not enough room. So OH, not just O. S is a sulfur. Hold on, something's on my, I got some stuff on my glasses. Anyway, N, like this right here, N. That's nitrogen, NH2, which is right where my tongue was there. NH2 is what looks to be amine, A-M-I-N-E. A-M-I-N-E. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Amine? I don't know. Whatever. So, and then H3C, which is also right there. H3C is what looks to be methane, or methyl. Not methane, sorry. Methyl. So, yeah. So that's what's part of that's what's part of vitamin B1. That's what makes it up. So, moving right along, we got, alright guys, so food products of thiamine contain eggs, milk, milk products. So let me say that again. So milk products, eggs, fish, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. So that's what you eat. That'll make you, that's what you eat to gain thiamine. So, thiamine cannot be obtained from the insides of the body, so it comes from external sources. It's like what I said, or like what I listed earlier, all the food products, and it powers the muscles, the brain, the kidneys, and the heart. So yeah, so that being said, what I just said earlier, let's continue on. So, alcohol. You should never drink alcohol if you're trying to, if your goal is to consume a good amount of thiamine, if you have a insufficient amount of thiamine. Because alcohol is what prevents your body from absorbing sufficient amounts of thiamine. Shame, dude. Shame. Look at that. So you want to avoid drinking alcohol at all costs. So, that being said, let's move on. Alright, so, continuing right along. What I gotta say next is alcohol. What alcohol does as well at the same time. So, alcohol, I'm 30 to 80% of alcohol, most of the time basically. Alcohol, like, is it basically the opposite of gaining thiamine. Thiamine deficiency, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to explain the symptoms of thiamine deficiency in the next part. But moving right along, we're going to talk about the age groups of how much thiamine these age groups should consume per day. So, sorry guys, I'm not good at talking. That being said, let's move right along. So, now for this part. So now for the age groups of how much thiamine each age group should consume. I'm sorry if I don't talk right. So moving right along. Infants aged 0 to 6 months of age require 0.2 milligrams of thiamine a day. And then infants aged 7 to 12 months of age require 0.3 milligrams a day. And then infants aged 1 to 3 require require half a milligram a day. My mistake. Yep, half a milligram a day. And then children aged 4 to 8 years of age require 0.6 milligrams daily. And then adolescents aged 9 to 13, I'm not even sure if 9 is an adolescent age, but whatever, I'll go with it. They need to consume 0.9 milligrams daily. So now we're out of what's below 1 milligram. So moving right along, we got women aged 14 to 18 require 1 milligram a day, and then men aged 14 or older require 1.2 milligrams a day. And finally, women aged 19 or older require 1.1 milligram a day. So now we're going to talk about pregnant and breastfeeding women and etc. So let's do it. Pregnant women should only consume 1.4 milligrams of thiamine a day, and then breastfeeding women should only consume 1.5 milligrams a day. And then to adults with like a mildly severe thiamine deficiency should consume 5 to 30 milligrams of thiamine a day. And then the ones with more severe thiamine deficiency should consume 300 milligrams of thiamine a day. So that's the end of this documentary part. Stay tuned for part 2. And I forgot to tell you, when I said about vitamin B1, I didn't mean it was the first vitamin of all time. I meant to say it was the first vitamin B1 of all time. Or the very first one, basically what I'm saying. And before I go, finally, I just wanted to tell you that what was I gonna say again? I was gonna say, oh yeah, so on my trailer I did say October to November. I thought I might be busy, but turns out I wasn't doing anything today, so I'm gonna upload this on the same day I uploaded the documentary trailer. So peace out, see you in part 2, and keep it real.